Hey guys, Agent Puzzle here, and right now we're at Elscar, I know, and currently at Elscar there is a railway which is quite interesting to us, well, to us rail fans, I know, and well, all I know is the railway's been in operation for about 10 or 20 years, I don't know. So yeah, let's hope it gets on good. So yeah.
Choo 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 choo! Come on and do the conker, yeah. Oh, what? Look, is that Percy? Hey, yeah, of course. Whoa, welcome trolley. Whoa, that looks good.
Yeah, they use them on P-Way. Andy's familiar with P-Way because he's a P-Way man. Still is, and well, either way, he probably is going to remain a P-Way man, even if he's retired from his actual permanent work. Yeah.
What's this? Mardy Monster?
Oh yeah, that's a local that used to work on this railway. It's now, well, lots of it's having an overhaul done to it. Yeah.
Going upstairs. Dum 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 dum. Going upstairs. Yeah, there's a level crossing down there in the big humongous view. Well, it's not a big humongous view at the moment because there's far away, there's a countryside down there. But anyways, 12 o'clock times, yes. Closed? Why?
Well, it's not open yet. Yeah, there's 2 more minutes until Elscar can actually open. So they're just preparing. Yeah. Alright, let's see the museum.
Well, that museum looks a bit like a train, but unfortunately it's closed right now. Here we are, to the museum. Let's go. I wonder if that was, I don't think to one of them. Many pictures down there. Courtyard, yeah. I wonder what those 2 Bob the Builders are doing.
Yeah. They're currently working on a coal mine. Well, they used to. Right up until the coal mine was closed due to Margaret Thatcher in 1980s, which angered several of us men. Yeah, not that pleased.
Yeah, so what is this anyway?
Yeah, this is an old pump house that was, well, it was built during 1794. I guess it was used to pump out water from the mines. Yeah, and by the looks of it, some people have done a pretty good job at restoring it. I think Old Man would actually be able to give us some more detail on this.
Incoming locals! Wowee! A Volkswagen? Ah, yes. Cars! Cars! And more cars! Food! 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 Yeah. One day, Thomas is having a trip in Elscar. He was puffing along the stations, and he couldn't make it to the Fat Controller. He puffed happily away, leaving a normal train to standing there doing nothing. Later that day, Percy was still worried about Thomas. Oh look, it's Pennsylvania, it's the United States of America. That's the book, that is. Well, well, well. If it isn't a steam train like that. Yes.
Yeah, I've got.
Oh no!
I think it just gets in that. It is. Once you've got one piece of that.
Back in his tail. Yeah, exactly. Oh yes!
Just having a chocolate chip muffin.
Alright. Here we are.
Now we are going to the auction room, well, where my mum is. Well, but we were
Why the reason why you're wearing goggles is to keep out of the air or anything?
No, it's so that I don't get charcoal in my eyes.
Ah, right.
Yeah. It's an old railway trick that we learned.
Yeah, I can see yourself down there, of course. Ah, look at the train. Look at Jamie. Just filming the whole way of the steam engine. Yeah. Well, I have an extended, so what we got down there? Whoa. Yeah, goggles.
Yeah. Well, still disappointed that they haven't extended yet. Spitfire looks good, except for the price of £120.